Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Sir, at the outset, I ought to congratulate the Honorable Minister of Finance for his strides to control the inflation to the single digit level as well as to meet the development needs of the country fully. It is commendable on the part of the government that they have achieved a record target in the production of wheat and rice during the current year. Not only they have achieved the record target, they have tried to see that the farmers get their due share for their products. But at the same time, I would like to point out to the House as well as to the Honorable Minister that there are some distortions in our production process, and in spite of achieving the record target in food production this year, there are some distortions in the production of rice. We are aware that rice is produced mainly in eastern India in the states of Orissa, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, etc. But I find from the papers available in the library that the production of rice yield is actually not equitable in comparison with the other states of the country. Here I must point out that according to an international comparison amongst the less developed countries, the best results are reported from Korea, China, and Indonesia, and amongst the industrialized countries, Austria leads with Japan following closely. The experience with high yielding varieties has shown the food when the ecology of the rice field is charged by the application of more water and fertilizer, the threat to yield caused by the triple alliance of weeds, pests, and pathogens could become serious. Countering the risk effectively will be particularly important for the small farmers who cannot otherwise be expected to show an improvement, making requisite investments inputs which are vital to the success of high yielding. Further, Punjab and Haryana, with a little over 4% of the country's population, produce 13% of the national food output. Only 19% of their population is below the poverty line. Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh have the worst scores in this regard. So the picture of plenty reflected in absolute figures of increase of food production has to be viewed in the context of intensity of deprivation that stalks the vast countryside because the per capita calorie supply is uneven due to the weaknesses in the distribution system. So I would request the Honorable Minister to see that these distortions are removed at the earliest. The Economic Advisory Council has also made a reference to lower rates of growth of input output of rice in these states. The low level yield are prevailing in eastern and central India and almost stationary levels of rice production in the three southern states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. They have also equally mentioned the low growth rate of pulses and oilseeds. While the rice production is almost stationary in the eastern region, The consumption of fertilizers has decreased in some states. Full stop.